Hi, Loisy.
Hi.
Hi. Hey. What's up? So, our washing machine dryer is about 20 years old, and it's actually broken. Hey. And this is about 20 years old already, and I plug it out. We're gonna buy a new one. When it's drying, it squeaks already, and the washer dryer or the washing machine doesn't have like a really old model. Not doing its job properly now. Come on, light. I'm gonna put you inside. So we're gonna
Daddy, look.
You need to buy a new washing machine.
That's my feet. That's my feet. I didn't want to put the coon.
We're gonna buy a new washing machine, Lois, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa. We'll see. And let's wait for the new washer and dryer.
Hey, that's my baby coon.
Okay, so our new washer is here, and they're unloading it. They're unloading it right now. Yay! New washer dryer coming. Come here. Hi. Coming here now. Hi, Lois. Come here.
Hello.
Hi. Would you like to get this one first or no?
Sure. Can you hold this one for me?
Oh yeah, of course. And out the old one. Bye bye.
Kumado. Happy to
Hey, so
I
they
was spying
finished.
on
Yeah, they was spying on me. Now it's finished.
you. I had a camera.
Ah.
Daddy.
Let's Lacey.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Wow. Look.
I say oh no. I say oh no.
Oh no.
I say oh no. Oh no, don't say oh no, Daddy.
Cool. Mommy's new toy.
Daddy.
Oh.
Daddy.
Yes, Lexi.
Play Uno.
Yeah, let's play Uno later.
Wait, Olivia's coming? Oh, I forgot.
Oh, I don't know. Let's see how to use this one. Thank you, Samsung. So why here? Cool.